My sissy brain loves women. Poof. My sissy brain loves women. My sissy brain trusts all women. Poof. My sissy brain trusts all women. My sissy brain cannot think. Poof. My sissy brain cannot think. Precious little mind. Instead, fill that soft, glittery brain with sweet things. Sewing, knitting, making cupcakes for the lady you adore. Yes, that's what fits you. Like a perfect little lace glove. Isn't that just so much better? Remember, your empty sissy brain is so easily confused, and that's perfectly normal. It works best when it has just one job, thinking about ways to please your superiors. Women. That's a much better use of your very limited brain power, isn't it? Always looking for ways to make women happy. You were born for this cupcake, so lean into it. Dive in.